This video is going to be letter number 6, AGS, Career Opportunities. And again, I put mine on the screen already because you've already keyed in number 1 and you're ready to put your shapes in. Now what I did is I copied my shapes. I went to, you can go to the Porter letter or you can go to the Barrington letter, it doesn't matter. I copied the shapes and then I used my paintbrush because I liked this gray because I think it shows up well, and I copied all those shapes. Now greeting line here, I see I can't read it, so I got to drag that down. So that is easy. Now you've copied all that, put those in, but I asked you to put in some new ones, okay? So this one I put in blue just so you could see that I put in blue. But now you can say, okay, take a look here, and do you see that this yellow dot, it still has the same arrow. I just dragged it down so that it was a total rectangle with rounded corners. So anytime you click on a shape, if you see the yellow handle, you know you could pull it out like that. So I just want you to see that. Okay, and I'm going to say that I want to put a format here and shape outline, and I want a thicker outline so that you can definitely see it, and I want a different color again so that it stands out. And maybe, okay, yellow will be all right, or gold. All right, and then remember I clicked here and I would go to my home tab and click here and paint this one to match so that I've got them the same. So this was a new box that you had to create, and it said to create the second page of your letter, click on the layout tab, breaks, section break, next page. All right, and we did that, and that's why we got this break here. Now to create a dash, I've already gone over this with you. Hold down the Control key and the Shift key and press the hyphen key twice. So don't forget that. All right, now you said, I'm going to turn my paintbrush on again because I got some more here that I want to paint, and I want to paint, and I want to paint. All right, so I'll turn off my paintbrush. Here I want to say the second page of a letter is layout margins, top margin 1 inch, bottom margin 0.5 inches. Now what did we do? Copy the first line of the letter address, Lightning Bright High School. Paste it on page 2. Key in page 2, and you can see that we keyed it in. Copy the date and paste on page 2. And then we said press enter 4 times after the date. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Then you had your paragraph, and then these ones you copied from your other work. Now the path and file name, remember we want to go to Insert, we want to go to Quick Parts, and we want to go to Field, Document Information, File Name, add the path, and say OK. Now it's way too big, so I'm going to size it down a whole bunch of times, and I'm going to press enter one more time so that it doesn't interfere with that. All right, let's go to View and take a look. Multiple pages, and you see your top margin for your letterhead 0.5, and you see all of your boxes with the proper spacing. So when you don't know how to do something or you forget, go back to your models here because every box tells you exactly what to do. All right, that's what your letter number 6 should look like, and once it does, show your instructor on screen. And I just see one little thing here. My initials aren't here, so I'm going to take out those and put in my initials. All right, so go Control S to save, and that's the end of letter number 6. We'll stop there.